Hello guys, this is Vivek Sharma and welcome to the first episode of this beginners level game development series on c#corner.com. In this series, we will try to cover a good number of game development basics by creating a complete short game from scratch using Unity3D. So, in this episode, we will get an introduction to Unity, we'll learn how to download and install it, and we'll get familiar with the basic interface and the components of Unity3D. So, without any further ado, let's get into it. Okay, so first things first, we will start by downloading and installing Unity into our system. So to do that, go to our Unity's official website, unity3d.com. On the site, scroll down and click on Unity in the downloads section. Over here, we have three options: Plus, Pro, and Personal. Plus and Pro are paid versions and the personal one is free. Plus and Pro comes with some learning benefits, and if you are making more than $100,000 a year by using Unity, then you have to download these versions, otherwise you can go for the personal one. Also, if you download the personal one, you get this before the game begins, so we can live with that for now. So let's click on try personal. Over here, click on this checkbox by clicking I confirm blah 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 blah, and then click on download Unity Hub, and then it will download. We have to wait. Okay, so once the download is complete, you can double click on it to continue the installation process. I will click on agree to accept all of the terms of service, and then I'm using Mac right now, so I will just drop this into the applications folder. If you are on Windows, you probably have to click on next, and I will close it. Once the installation is complete, I will click on the Unity Hub button to open it up. And once it has got opened up, I will click on this download button to continue. Over here, I can select the version of Unity I want to install. I will go with Unity 2019.1.1 for now. I will click on download. Over here, I can see 2019.1.1 is checked by default. I can select other options if I want, like Android build support, iOS build support, TV OS build support, and others, but for now I will just go with 2019.1.1. I will click on done and will wait until the installation is complete. See you later. Okay, so now when the installation is complete, I can click on the Unity Hub again to open it up. On the top right corner, you can see a new button on which you can click to create a new Unity project. You can rename your project. Let's call it Game 1 for now, and you can select a template. I'm gonna go with 2D for now. And over here you can select the destination of your project files. I'm happy with this one for now. Let's click on create project to create a new Unity project. Okay, so when now we have our new Unity project ready, let's talk a bit about Unity. Unity is one of the world's best game development engines right now. Unity is not just used for creating games, but also for creating movies, animation, XR experiences, etc, etc. Okay, so let's talk about the Unity interface for now. Over here at the bottom, you can see something called Assets Panel. Assets Panel include all of the files you want to use into your game. This may include scripts, images, videos, music files, 3D models, etc, etc. Secondly, we have a panel called Hierarchy. Hierarchy includes all of the items you want to use in your current scene. You can compare your scene as a web page. You can have different web pages in your website. Similarly, you can have different scenes in your game, like main menu screen, settings screen, main game screen, etc, etc. If you click on any of the game item into the hierarchy panel, you can see all of its properties over here at the right in the inspector panel. This may include transform. Transform includes its position, its rotation, and scale. All of these values are in vector 3. That means it have an X value, a Y value, and a Z value. And there can be other properties as well, like audio, listener, camera, and any other component you want to add. Now next we have something called scene view. Scene view actually is a visual representation for your hierarchy panel. This will show all of the files included over here in the hierarchy panel as well. At last, we have something called game view, which basically is the preview for your final game output. So these are the base panels of Unity interface using which we will be creating our next Unity game. So in our next tutorial, we will start creating our game, get a player into it, we'll animate it, we'll try to move it, we'll learn about collisions and physics, and we'll try to have some fun. So till then, goodbye, have fun, and don't forget to follow and subscribe because the best is yet to come.